Hi, it's Nate. I'm here with Daniel, a good friend of mine and an advisor over at US Health Advisors. Daniel, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Daniel Langfield. I'm an advisor with US Health Advisors, and I can help anybody who's looking for health coverage independently. So if you are an individual or family that works for a small business and isn't covered by your employer, maybe you're self-employed, 1099 subcontractor, or you're a small business that doesn't have the means to provide health coverage for your employees, there are very affordable options with nationwide PPO networks available, and I can help you.
Perfect. Yeah, and I can speak personally to working with US Health Advisors. They do have some really awesome options for self-employed and whatnot. So because we have open enrollment coming up, I guess, what is the sense of urgency about maybe looking at their health insurance options starting now versus waiting until open enrollment?
Yeah, just like any insurance, you can't get covered after the fact, right? And so getting a health insurance plan set in place now, one, you're going to get 2020 rates rather than 2021 rates. Notoriously, rates go up year after year. If not, your deductibles and maximum out-of-pockets go up year after year. So you can lock in rates at your age now rather than what your age will be later. And then you're not going to be worried about the onslaught of so many people calling you during a 6-month or 6-week or 6-week or 2-month period when you should be focused on your family and celebrating the holidays.
Right. I imagine just like I have in the world of insurance, I've gotten phone calls and people call me after the accident hoping that somehow they can get a coverage added, or maybe they didn't have insurance at all and they're calling in hoping that there can be something in place. I imagine that you've run into things like that as well in your line of work. Do you have a specific example of when that happened?
Yeah. I'm pregnant. Now I need health insurance. Sorry, you're not going to be able to do that. Like having a baby is a qualifying life event, but being pregnant is not. Or I'm holding out on I've even enrolled into an insurance plan, but I don't want it to start until next month. And you get hurt within that time frame, and now you no longer qualify for your insurance. Or now it becomes, say, a pre-existing condition that there's a waiting period, even though there are plans that accept pre-existing conditions. Maybe there's a waiting period to cover your pre-existing condition, and so now you no longer qualify. Just like in property casualty insurance, there are programs available. For example, in your car insurance, if you've got a decent driving record, you may qualify for better car insurance at lower cost because you've got a decent driving record. There are health insurance programs available like that, or health coverage rather. So anyway, so there are programs available based off of your health situation, your financial situation, or the lack thereof. So we can help you regardless of your situation.
So I guess lastly, because I'm sure health insurance is definitely top of mind for a lot of folks out there, especially the self-employed, especially the people who don't have anything in place currently. What closing thoughts do you have? What kind of advice would you give to everyone listening to this video?
I'd tell you that there's people in this industry who really do care, and that their genuine desire is to make sure that people are covered in the event that something does happen. It's Murphy's Law. Things happen. How many of us have gone years without needing a claim, but then something does happen, or they know somebody who has? And I come from a background of social work, and so my I have a high level of empathy for people who've already gone through a situation. Trying to hunt down claims or benefits for them after the fact is more difficult than setting it up prior to. Just know that when people call you, they really do care. So open that door up, that there's going to be some very empathetic souls that do want to help you set you up for success regarding your health coverage.
Perfect, Daniel. I appreciate your time, and then we'll tag your information at the end of this. Thank you again.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Nate.